So this is our user story workshop one. My name is Daniel. I'm the team leader for this project. Guys, you can introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Jubair. I'm the front-end developer.
You guys can introduce as the developer. Be fine.
I'm Aiden, and I'm also a developer.
Hi, I'm Safwan, and I'm the tester and the developer of the group.
I'm Yuchen Jiang, and also I'm a developer.
So currently, there's Kevin and Cinicam will be absent for this workshop. Okay, let's just start this. So we will first we have to create our low fidelity. We will have 4 user roles. First one is group owner. We will dig deeper into each user roles. Okay.
Daniel, I think you're not sharing the screen.
Oh, I'm not sharing screen. Oh, sorry. So first we have to create our. Let's just do with the group owner first. We will have to create a low fidelity. So so based on this, I think first we will need a home page, right? So how can you I think your mic is muted. Okay. So the workflow will be first will be the home page, and so here what the user can do here, guys.
Maybe login or sign up.
Okay, no signing. Yeah. Okay. What else?
Maybe a taskbar that links to other pages.
Like task support?
Yeah, like a taskbar that would link to the other pages.
Yes. I'm thinking it's like when the group owner logins, they can planning to only show their group. Like they can view the group, and they can
Create
yeah.
groups.
Create groups. And they can add friends and yeah.
Instead of friend, write add members.
Sorry?
Instead of friends, write add members.
Okay. Is it done? All the action? The
What about tasks?
Log out. Second, log out.
the what?
Log out. Logging and log out. Yeah.
Oh, here we have a register here.
I'm talking about the task.
Create task. I'm planning to like they have either groups they can create the task and have it. It's not here. It's not on the homepage.
Okay.
So I think it's done, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this will be the group page. So okay, what can the
Firstly, maybe view the group's name.
I'm sorry?
Maybe viewing the group's name at the page.
Oh,
Or maybe if we maybe just view the tasks. Maybe that's very
yeah.
yeah, my bad.
I think the group name will be
It's
not necessary.
irrelevant. Yeah. Maybe task.
Yeah, create the habits. Create habits. What else, guys? I think we can show the dashboard here. show dashboard, assign members. What can the group owners do here?
You want the group page to have multiple groups in it, or is it just one group per group page?
The homepage will have multiple groups, and when the user click on it, it will show the dashboard and their habits stuff.
What about like what about each group should have like a description?
Description.
Yeah, each group have a description for what each group does.
Yeah.
Um,
So I think when you create the it's kind of similar to the group name. When you create the group, you
Mhm.
will show they can do the group name and group description there.
okay, like I thought maybe the homepage would have the group name, and then the group page would have the description, or do you want the description on the homepage?
On homepage should be better. But just like some additional notes. No, don't worry about that. Let's just focus on like the action of the group owner here. What the group owner can do here.
You include dates of when the tasks need to be completed by.
Set the due dates.
Deadline. Yeah.
And also maybe show the status of the task to see if it's been completed or not.
I think it could be included in the dashboard.
Just like write like status, I guess, just so you
Yeah, the dashboard will they can see it under the dashboard. I think we need a notification. Yeah, we need notification too, right?
Mhm. What about beside each task, like a button that marks it as complete?
Yeah. Yeah, we should have that.
Maybe also a log that tracks recent tasks that have been done.
No, we have it. I think the dashboard. I think we'll have a dashboard to show it here.
I'm just saying like extra things, I guess. Also, do you want each page to have its own like navigation bar so you can go between sections more easily?
Navigation bar for
Like each page have its own navigation bar to go to a different page rather than having to go back to the home page. It's like a navigation bar at the bottom of each page.
I don't think it's necessary because our homepage will have like on the homepage we'll go to the group page and to the dashboard. That's it. I don't think it's necessary. We will have a
History log for the dashboard.
Yeah. It's here already. Create task habit.
No, it just created. I'm talking about weekly rotating, so each member gets different tasks each week.
Yeah, I guess yeah. Like for fairness, each person you rotate tasks for fairness.
It's more like a features. More like features.
Are we adding things to the dashboard and group page? Or are we adding, or are we doing different pages now? Or
Let me just separate this. Then we'll have a We have it. Here, yeah. This should be fine, right?
Yeah.
You can, you can also see the members. You should have it like this. We have a members too. Then members. Yeah, should be something like this. What do you guys think?
For the members, do you want to have like a contact thing so you can contact the members?
Oh, I don't think it's necessary. Because like we will have a this. Oh yeah, we need a discussion. Board. Yeah, too.
Like a discussion board, also like a way you can contact them in private, say.
Yeah, yeah. So I'm gonna create a discussion board. That's it, right? I think that's pretty much it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, we need a notification too. You guys think?
I think that's pretty much it.
I feel like we should add more to it. Huh?
This is just for group owner, right? So we have to create moderator, members, and viewers as well.
Yeah. So this is just for the group owners.
What about what about a leaderboard to see I don't know, just a way to like kind of maybe make it more interesting or competitive, have like a leaderboard of who's completed more tasks or
Leaderboards, like to rewards who do the most tasks.
yeah, you kind of just it's like a leaderboard to show who's completed the most tasks and within the time frame and who's like behind, and just maybe add like a competitive element to it to make it more interesting, I guess.
I think it should be under like the dashboard. It's not like under the like in the company. It's like more like the household and
Yeah,
between
yeah,
students or stuff.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's like I think it would be like more interesting to people if like almost add like a competitive element. I think it would like make people want to. It would make people want to do it more. Maybe it would encourage people to do it more if they feel like their progress is being recorded in a competitive way.
So where should it be? I think it's more like an add-on feature. like not like something we must have.
Yeah, say it's an add-on feature, but like yeah, I'd put it on like the dashboard or something.
Yeah, more like an add-on. Oh, tomorrow we have the class today is canceled. I did.
Oh, the class today is canceled?
Yeah.
Is that what the email says? Okay, yeah, that works out, I guess. Does each member have like one task, or does each member have like a set of tasks?
Collaborate more efficiently.
Um, manage members
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah, assign roles or tasks.
Sangro will do it here. But the
Members.
member box here. So let's just
Oh, it's not
focus on the home page first. And no, if we have like this, I don't really need this. I think one more user stories here. So that like the group owner can
Add members.
add members. Like they can like add the members by their username. Like this, guys.
Yep.
I can add them to the group.
Yeah, that, I guess that's really
It's out scope for this. No, I think this is not a good news stories. Should be under here. Should be under dashboard. To view.
I want to be able to view active members.
That can be in the members.
It should be under members. Should be under here. Members.
I mean, like, okay, I meant like active members in the group page. Like,
Yeah,
Group
it should be here.
status.
This is
Group
for that.
status.
Yeah.
Member status.
Nothing like nothing much to do here, right? Not much.
Because we have separate everything.
Yeah. Is it managed? No, I think we need like a view. You can just like because we separate this out, so we can just write the user stories here. Mhm. Okay, we'll just do it. What the group owner can do. What the user stories here.
I want to be able to assign tasks.
Sign tasks.
Yeah.
Oh, I want to create a task first.
Yeah, create a task list and then assign the tasks like after.
Progress. And we can do more here. Either. Check the progress.
Did you assign tasks for?
Yeah, sign. What else?
Assign
Rotate tasks.
assign deadlines maybe.
Create set deadlines.
Yeah, set deadlines for the yeah.
Rotate tasks. No, that's for the yes.
Edit tasks or no?
Yeah.
Content.
What about approve completed tasks?
Sorry?
Approve completed tasks.
Approve complete task. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So if someone completes a task, you want to be able to prove that they did do it. That's all I can think of at the moment.
We have to make a note here.
I can't think of any more user things for that one. Want to move on to the next one? Or?
Yeah. I want to receive notification.
What if there's a way to turn notifications on or off too?
Like they can agree to receive notification or not.
Well, sometimes people like to turn notifications off, like if they can't receive it.
They want that. Should it be like mandatory?
Yeah, I guess. I mean,
Or
ideally
I
it should be
think I just
mandatory.
can like make a note here, like notes. Users notification.
Like say the person is like in a meeting or something that they don't want to get the notifications.
Yeah, so I just make a note here.
Yeah.
I think should be it's just like just to receive, right? Not like really send anything because like
Yeah.
the
Well,
sending
I
will be automatically based on the system.
Well, I'm saying
So-
as a group owner, you can send notifications as reminders to people who haven't completed the task yet.
So I think it should be the system job to do that. Like they can set the reminders. Yeah, the group owner can set the reminders.
What if the group owner could set the frequency of reminders?
Yeah, or maybe like send reminders.
Yeah, but also set frequency like so rather than just like one reminder, send like one reminder like 24 hours before, 12 hours before, or 2 hours before. Just like
Like this.
Yeah.
So that I can.
like sometimes you'll receive a notification and you'll kind of just like glance over it. So like if I have an appointment or something, I'll set myself like 2 or 3 notifications.
Yeah. So we will have two user stories here. They updates.
So does the group owner also have their own task to complete, or are they only tracking everyone else's?
They can have their task too. They are like a member too. They can be
Yeah,
the
so-
member too.
So as a group owner, you would want both. You would want to receive notifications for your own tasks, but then also receive notifications about other people's tasks.
Yeah.
So maybe like separate it. So one is for your own personal tasks, and one is for group's tasks. Update on personal tasks.
Yushan, do you have any opinions, contributes?
For this, I'm having a look. Yeah.
I think some notification about new members.
Yeah, new member joining the group. I want to receive notifications.
Are you gonna add your personal notification for your personal tasks, or
Personal task.
yeah, notification for when your personal tasks need to be completed, or when
Like this.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's pretty much it. I think this user stories can be shared with other user roles too. Because I think like the all the user roles can use this user stories too.
Yeah.
I was thinking that like personal tasks would be for all, but then tracking the group's progress, would you want all users to have that access, or just the group owner?
Just for group owner, I think.
This is but like all the user roles can use this user stories too. It can be shared. It's like a common user stories that we can share with all the members. Anything else? Can the group owners do here?
What about for notifications, right? It's like if you turn your notifications off, right? What
Yeah.
if after a certain amount of time of having notifications off, it tells you you should turn them back on? Like a notification to tell you that you should turn notifications back on.
Yeah, we should have that.
It's like say someone turns their notifications off and then they forget that they turned it off.
Yeah.
It's like a notification. It wouldn't be a frequent notification, but it'd be a notification that says like your notifications have been off for 12 hours. Say, reminder, turn your notifications back on.
Yeah.
So re-enable my notifications.
Oh, it should be here when they wait.
Like I think it should be in the notification thing should be in the same thing where you turn them off. Where you can turn them off, but then a notification will give you.
I think it should be under the notes. Like this.
Okay.
But like the set the frequency reminders, I think we can do it under here, under the this one. Under the when we create it. Am I right?
I still think like reminder frequency should be like
A
something
notification.
that the group owner controls under notifications.
So we need like another user stories here to set the frequency reminders.
Yeah. Set the frequency of the reminders.
What can they do here? You can control like how often. Like this. Should be good.
Yeah, how often they're notified.
I think that's it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can we move on to the discussion board?
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to discuss.
I want as a group owner, I want to create discussion threads.
Hey, what?
Create discussion threads.
Discussion threads? No, I don't think it's necessary. We can just have like a message box. Everybody can do it here.
What about pin or highlight important things in the discussion?
Highlights.
Like you pin something, so it's like pin something important.
I think we can like create a thread, right?
What about send announcements to the group?
An announcement.
Yeah, send like an announcement to the group. Like it'll be like a message that everyone kind of
Yeah, it should be. So I can what? Share updates and
So that I can like highlight important updates, keep them visible in the chat.
like this.
To keep it more organized and visible.
I think we need that to keep it organized and stuff. I think we can stop here.
Okay.
I think this one we can contact with my members.
Do you want to be able to moderate the chat at all, or
The what?
you want to be able to moderate the chat?
Moderate the chat.
Yeah.
What can they do?
I don't know. Just never mind.
One can be shared, can be used as a common to like all the user roles can use this too.
What about like a way to like maybe within the chat have assigned roles, so it's kind of you can kind of see who the group owner is and who the members are.
I think yeah, we do it here.
Okay.
Anything else for the discussion board?
I don't know.
Let's do a dashboard.
Track the progress.
I want to
Track the progress.
yeah. So that's I can do what?
So you can
Let's
like
say
monitor contributions.
yeah, monitor and identify inactive member. Should we have the export? Like can like the user can export the dashboard? No, I don't think it's necessary, right?
I know. I think the user should be able to see the dashboard. I think they should be able to kind of see be able to see everyone all the progress of the other tasks.
So it should be like a new user stories. I think let's just do the history log.
History.
I want to view the history log to maintain accountability.
Maintain what?
Accountability.
Okay. Is that all?
For the dashboard, do you want to be able to maybe filter tasks by date or members or completion status?
Like by mm,
And make it easier to find specific information.
I think it should be in here. This. Filter.
Filter tasks by date, member, or status.
Pretty much it, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move it to members. Okay. What else can I do here? I want is it? I don't think we need the user like member status, right?
No.
Because
we
it's like
need
it's
so-
websites.
We need member status so we can know whether he's active, inactive, or what.
No, I don't think so. Like the members can just like go there and like
No, if the
Uh,
member is 6 or something, he can't do the task, so we can know whether what his status is.
they will like assign them as sick. I think it's necessary. No, like I'm planning like the user status will only be like online or offline. If they have any reason, they will just give it to the they will just tell the moderator or the group owner.
That's fine as well.
Just remove this. What can they do here? What will be the stories here?
See members so that I can assign tasks.
Show members. I want to sign.
Yeah. Permissions.
I think for this one we will have a common user story here.
What
This
about- so you- instead of know their permissions, so that you can view/edit their permissions.
I can like
Yeah, maybe the group owner can change the permission.
this.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Refer to this format. So I might say wait, let me just like given I'm on the login page, when I enter all the requirement fields, all the required fields, then it will log me in. Okay, and another one to delete the group.
I have one for adding members. But
No, let's just focus on this one first. Let's just focus on the this user story first.
I know. Yeah, that's
So each of these we can have some user stories, exception criteria here.
when you click delete group, do you want it to say "Are you sure?" or do you want it to just delete?
Yeah, we'll
Display a message.
yeah, we'll display a confirmation.
Then I click confirmation, and it removes the group.
This, and we'll have another one for if someone send you the invitation.
That's in the members group, members box, right?
You can do it here. Like if you receive a invitation from other people, you can still accept it.
Notification.
Anything else?
Maybe we missed the edit group, so we only have the user
I think
story
there's
for the
already
delete one.
delete.
Yeah, also we need an edit one.
Yeah, we have to edit it. What can we edit for the? What can we modify for the group
Group name. Group
members?
group size.
So group size, like it should be like edit members.
I don't know. Yeah. Members. And
This group size. Well, like this.
members roles and should be in the member box, right?
Yeah.
So we don't need here. Like control the permission, edit the permission.
And it should be. We should need like have more function feature here. So we don't really need this. Just
Yeah. Just leave the change of group names.
Okay, let's do what will be the acceptance criteria for this.
Given that I'm a group owner, I can click on add the members to add. I can click on add the members.
I can add the group owner. I can add the members.
Yep.
Then the
So when
website.
when you add group members, do you want it to be that you send them emails
We will send them like an email
Yeah, email.
or like a link?
by the email.
Okay. So you can do invite link or email. I wasn't sure which one you want.
We will send the invitation.
Yeah.
And I see a confirmation of pending invites.
It should be
can
from
be-
the member site.
Hmm?
Like the confirmation email should be from the Member site.
Notification.
Well, as the owner, you're sending the email. So I'm saying that you see the pending ones and the ones that have been accepted, confirmed.
like when you want to be another part of like other part of the group.
Yeah, so like as the owner, you send out the email, right? And then some people will confirm and some people won't. So you want to kind of like see a status of who's confirmed and who hasn't.
Okay. There should be another acceptance criteria.
Um,
I can see the status,
Yeah.
the invitation.
Confirmation of pending invites.
it should be given that I'm a group owner. When I send an invitation email, then I should be able to see the status. Something like that.
Yeah, when I see the
I sent an invitation email. Then I can see the
list,
status.
we should have like a list. The status. Yeah, it should be like this. Should be written like this.
That's not the
So we
same.
should have the one for acceptance like their roles to when we assign their roles to.
Didn't we just say roles should be in members box?
What?
Roles are in members box.
No, like the member roles.
Yeah, members roles and permissions are in the members box. There's different members box, right?
Mm, yeah, it should be
This
here.
one. Yeah.
Yeah.
So add invitation, add members.
What about invalid inputs?
You have to
Like
use
when you
username.
put the wrong email. We'll show please enter a valid email. And and the user already is in the group already. The members. Hi. Yeah, I think that's it. This user story only have like four acceptance criteria.
I put in chat maybe how to word the status one.
That's for what?
For the given I'm the group owner when I see the list load, maybe I thought maybe a different way to word it.
What do you want to change here?
I put it in the chat.
I think this one's better.
Yeah, okay.
It's more clear,
Which is more clear.
the chat one.
That's it, right? Let's move
Yeah.
to this one.
Habits.
This one might need a lot of acceptance material here. Okay, that one for task creation. And we have one for missing values, missing fields.
Enter an invalid title.
Yeah, yeah. What will be when I maybe when I leave some fields blank? Yep, should be like this. What else, guys? Any suggestion?
Um,
We have to speed up.
When I'm the group owner, I'm logged in as a group owner. When I create a task and assign to the members, then I should be able to view the task status.
Status?
Yeah.
Yeah. When I what?
Assign task. Assign tasks. When I assign the task to the group members, I should be able to see. Then I should be able to see the task status.
When you create the task, I think when I click on the task,
Okay, that's
I
right.
can see task status.
Status. Yeah.
Should be like this.
I
Yes.
put one in another one in the chat message for maybe so you can see it.
Yeah. Yeah. I think this line should be necessary. You can just delete this. Okay.
Yep.
Anything else?
I think that's it. That's like, yeah, mark complete was the last one, so it's like we can do the next one.
We need one for edit existing task. Like when we want to like you want to edit the task.
What about this one? I'm just gonna type it out in the chat when I.
Yeah. Yep. Oh, let me see. Yeah, this one I just did it here. Okay, can we move on to the notification?
Yep.
What else can we have here? This will be like the common acceptance, like common user stories. So like all the user role can use it too. Yeah, if you guys have any acceptance material, you guys can just type in the chat. I think it would be faster for us. First one is only like the notification should work, right? So anything?
I'm typing one right now for something.
Have one more for if I have turned off notification. Oh, should be for student stories here.
I sent one for receiving a notification when member completes.
They should be here. No, like when they complete the task, like we can see the result and then we can approve the completion. We can approve it.
Yeah, I'll
Oh yeah,
reword that.
like this one.
I'll reword that one that I said.
I like this one. One can be used.
Do
And
you want to include your personal notifications here, or make that
What?
just more of your personal notifications? You want to
Personal
include that here?
notification?
Yeah, for your personal notification that you receive for your own task. Do you want to include that here, or do you want to include that as part of the members?
No, we can put it here. All the notification should be here. So what do you want? What do you want? Stay updated on my personal task. I think like when I have a personal task. Yep, like this. And then you good with this?
Okay.
And we have this too.
It's really weird the spacing when you when you copy and paste.
Yeah. Okay, so I think this should be enough.
Yeah, I think that's good.
I have one more of this too. We have what we gonna have here.
For the discussion one.
Okay, so no, for this one, for the frequency of the reminders.
Um,
Okay.
I'm typing one right now. About something like that, or
Yeah, like this. Okay. Yeah, this is the same as I just did here. We can use moment one.
like I want to include the word like reminder intervals. So like it's like kind of like what I said there, like 12 hours before, 2 hours before. So it's set to a specific time interval.
should like this one should cover all that, right? It's like the just the frequency of the reminders. We good with this? We move on to the next one.
Yeah.
Okay.
What about this one
Oh, this one.
for the discussion one? Or-
Yeah.
I wrote one.
Okay, yeah, this one's good. I think it should be like this one for this user stories.
I just did one for the highlight message as well for the discussion thing.
Yeah, it should be to this one, to this user stories. Yeah, it's good. This is good. What else?
For the chat one, what else? Or did we cover it all?
Do we need more exception material? Or that's it?
What else do you want to add?
I think that's it.
Okay.
Okay, just move on to this dashboard. Dashboard. So we have like at least two, because we have two of this.
Let me know what you think of this one. I'm just gonna send another one I just thought of, but let me know what you think for this. This is for the discussion board still, but that's just something I thought of.
I don't think we should have this search bar. It
Okay.
will be like it will have like more feature on our website, so I don't think it's necessary.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think here we first exception material is first we have to view the dashboard. And the one to monitor the contribution. Yeah, I put it here. Moment. I think your mic is mute.
Okay. Instead of writing when the dashboard loads, you should write when I click on the dashboard.
Okay. So we need one for future task. Status. Okay. We can do this one now. Oh yeah, and then I put it here.
Okay.
I think we only need one exception to zero for this user stories. Yeah, we only need one of this. Okay, can we do the last one?
We move on to members. We still doing the dashboard one.
Members. I think we're done for the dashboard.
Okay. I was typing the history one, but okay, I can just delete that then.
You give me some for the for this.
I put one in the chat.
Yeah. Okay. I think we only need one for this.
Yeah.
Shouldn't we add members in this as well?
Member? No, it should
It's
be
the
here.
second. Oh, it's the second one. Sorry.
We should make the user stories a bit more bigger so it can show differentiate.
Oh yeah, I think this one we will have a grid members too. So add members.
Add members is in the above in the group. No, homepage. Homepage add members.
Oh yeah. Yeah, don't need for this. Yeah, it should be like just the assign the rows.
Show member and assign the role.
What about this? have one for add and one for like edit. And one for deleting.
Just remove the member.
Okay, I like this one. Yeah, the one for the one Aiden make is good too. Should be here. Okay, I think that's it, right? We only have this. Should be
Yeah.
fine.
No, I think it's enough.
This one I think you should only need one exception cradle.
It was already above, right? It's one of them.
What?
It's already added in one of them above, I think.
It's already included here.
Yeah, go up. Not this much. When I click on the icon, sign the role. Sorry, not here. I thought it was added here.
I think it should be here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think we need this. Hey. Yeah, I think that's it.
Now do we have to do the same for each role?
This is our last user meeting workshop, user stories workshop. My name is Daniel. I'm the team leader. Mohamed, you introduce.
My name is Mohammed Jubair. I'm the developer.
And Kevin.
My name is Kevin Gale and I'm a backend developer.
My name is Ian Murphy and I'm a developer.
My name is Yuchen Jiang, and I'm also a backend developer.
My name is Lee, and I'm a front-end developer.
My name is Safal and I'm the tester of the group.
Okay, so right now we will estimate each of the user stories. So now I will type the prioritization for this. M is for must have. And we will only have three of these prioritization. S is for should have. Okay, so when I read the user stories, you guys can type in the chat your opinion. I just type S or M and or C. Okay, so first one is as a group owner, I want to create groups so that I can build group, manage members and habits. And the third is edit and delete the group. You guys can type in the chat here.
I think you should share the screen, maybe.
Oh, sorry. My bad. Share screen. Okay. Please type S, M, and C. Whatever option. M. Okay, so this is the most. Yeah, I believe this is the most important. So I say map here. And how long do you think it's gonna take to create these features? Can you type in the chat here? How long
Sorry, I have a
does it take?
question.
Yeah.
I have a question. In the recording, can the chat be seen?
Yes, or we can refer to it later. We can show the chat later. You can just type your. You guys, can you type the how long it's gonna take? The time?
Because if the chat can be seen in the screen recording, then the rest of us that are not talking technically would not be participating.
Yeah, the chat can be seen. Don't worry.
Okay.
Can you guys type how long it's gonna take for this feature?
I
Just type in
see.
the chat.
What do you mean? Sorry, what do you mean by how long it could take for the feature?
10 hours. Like to create the UI and to implement the features.
Mhm.
Maybe it's 10 hours. No, it should be around like 1 day. Like under 1 day. Don't do it so long. No, like under 1 day.
Yeah, I imagine it'd be about a
Maybe
day at
like
least.
under. No, I think under 4 hours.
Is it possible under 4 hours?
Yeah. So I may say can I have more? Can everybody type their time? Okay, so Kevin is 5. So Kevin, why do you think it is 5?
Because I think the functionality is all the basics. Just for the UI part, the front end part, it would take a little more time because it's the home page and it's the first page that the users are going to see. So I think that's why it's going to take that much time.
So let me share my okay. And Safa, why do you think it is 12 hours?
I think it's going to take 2 hours because there's few UI changes we'll need to make. Like this will be the base of our project, so that's why.
So your concern is more about the 12 like the UI, like how
Yeah,
we're
design.
gonna
Because
design
this will
it?
be the base we'll be building on. So I think we'll have to think about this more thoroughly than the rest of the things. Also, this is the functionality that like the whole app depends on.
So I think like we have like 3 front ends, like we can have you with that. So I think like maybe we can cut it out like maybe 6 hours, like what you Shen and Mohammed think
Yeah,
and stuff.
maybe we can do
So
that. 'Cause, yeah.
yeah, so it should be like 6 hours. Okay, so moving on. As a group owner, I want to add members by their username so I can add them to the group. What do you guys think? Should have, must have, or could have? Can you type in the
Must
chat?
have. Oh,
Okay, so yeah, I think it's a must too because it's one of our core function, right? And the estimate of it 4 hours. This guy type the estimation. 3 hours. Okay, so Kevin, you have the lowest, like shortest time. Why do you think it is?
Because I think just to add the members, it won't take that much time because we just have to search and then just add it in the database. No?
And Yushen, you have like 4 hours. Why do you think like that?
I also think that this will not cost too much time, I think. You just add it to the database and modify the UI. It's okay, I think.
So can we all agree with like Kevin? I mean, it's just like a symbol, maybe a button.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. So let's move on with this. As a group owner, I want to create tasks for members so I can either check the progress, assign tasks to members, set deadlines, AI rotate tasks, edit tasks, and approve complete tasks. What do you guys think?
So you want to do a letter for each one?
Yeah.
Or a letter for the whole thing as a whole?
No, like as a whole.
Okay.
Okay. It's one of our this is one of our core functions, so it's for name. And the estimation. How long it's gonna take? I think this is our core function. Like it will have like AI stuff, so it's okay if it's take longer, a couple days, I think.
Yeah, because there's a lot more things as well.
Yeah, it's have more features. So just type in the time you guys think. Are you sure you can do all this in 4 days? I mean, it's a lot. It's just play with the AI rotate task.
The AI routes task, we can just plug in an AI agent for the demo side of the project. Since we're just supposed to present a functioning demo, we can just make an AI agent and plug that in.
Then 4 days. we have more 4 days. So yeah, I believe it's 4 days. Okay. 4 days. Okay. So okay, that's it. Moving on. As a group owner, I want to receive notifications so that I can either stay updated on group activities in progress and stay updated on my personal tasks. This will be the common stories. Should or must? I'm thinking of
Should.
should. Yeah. Okay. Should have. Okay. And the estimation? This will be the common story.
Thank you.
How long, guys? One day for the notification. Kevin, can you explain why you think it's 1 day?
Because I think for the notification, we have to go into each module and create a separate notification message for each one of them.
What
So
about
that's why
Cinicam?
I think it's gonna take more time.
Oh, okay. What about Cinicam?
Depends on what we're using. Let's say we're using JavaScript. We just need to make a notification.js for each of the user roles and work on the UI. So I think I'm gonna go. I know I put in 3 hours, but I think I'm gonna go with like less than a day. Yeah,
So
because
maybe
we have
something between that, like more manageable, like 5-6 hours. As you guys can agree with this?
Yeah, I agree with that.
Okay. Okay. As a group owner, I want to set the frequency of the reminders so that I can control how often members are notified. Should have or could have or must have? Should have. Okay. Yeah, it's not like really necessary, right?
No, it's a good
Yeah.
feature to have, but it's not necessary.
The estimate. Yeah, I think 1 hour is fine. Okay, it's just like one function, one feature.
Hmm.
Okay, just like a button.
Yeah,
Probably
it would even just be a drop-down menu of selections.
Yeah. Okay. So as a group owner, I want to send announcements so that I can share updates and important information to the members. Oh, like must have is like number 1, like for the prioritization. So could have, right?
yes.
Okay.
Wait, try to.
Why this should be could have?
I thought should was above could.
Should is above could.
Yeah,
Should above could.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's important but not critical.
it's for the Moscow thing, right?
Yeah.
And then
Okay.
could have is
Yeah.
optional.
Yeah, it's must,
It's
must,
optional.
should, could, and will not.
So why this guy think it should be a C?
Because like everyone's basically tracking each other's progress. So the announcement is the making of the group and making of the tasks. And
Okay.
naturally, if we have notifications already,
Okay.
they're gonna get notifications either way. They don't need to be announcements per se. It doesn't need to be
Yeah.
prioritized.
The announcements mainly just, I guess, for the group owner to kind of like remind people.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And they could do that in chats either way. In the chat box, they could do that either way.
Okay. So for the estimate. Okay, 1 hour. We all agree with 1 hour. Just a feature, right? Okay. As a group owner, I want to contact with members so that I can update to the members. It should be common user stories.
So basically messaging.
Yeah, it's like the feature of this box. It's to contact. I should put it like first, but it's okay. Cinicam, what do you think is S?
Because it's important, but it's not like critical for the first release of the app. Because if you think about it, if we're friends doing shared tasks, we already have iMessage, Snapchat, Instagram, calls, so like it's important for the whole system, but it's not as critical as the progress bars or the task completion or task creation or anything like that.
Moment. you put the what do you think?
Because since we are already group inside, so we can talk with each other. If there are, what do you call it, company, if you are in the company, then you have a group, right? So if you don't know someone, then you can use this feature.
Aiden?
Yeah, I thought because it's basically the chat room, you want to be able to contact the people. That would be a very basic feature of the chat room.
So you agree with the M, right?
Because then, like, if you don't have that feature, then you might as well not even have a chat room.
I think like it should be more convenient. Like when you just look at the like the task and then you can just type it out right away. You don't have to switch to another tab or something like that. And it's one of our feature too, so we just put it down there. What about the estimates? Can you guys type in the chat?
My laptop's about to die, but
Okay, no worries. Seven hours. What do you think is 7? Kevin? Kevin, what do you think is 7?
Because I think for we have to search a lot, no, for this one.
No, just a common like text feature.
Maybe it should take not so much time, like 2 hours, I think, maximum.
I mean, it won't take that much time because we can just use sockets.io.
Yeah, I just added some extra time.
So you have like a package for that? Like
Yeah,
like a-
sockets. Yeah, socket.io. If we put that in, we can have real-time chat system plugged in. But the main thing here is trying to get it to post and response properly and making the UI proper. It can be very tasking.
And you think like 7 hours is like a possible time to implement that feature, like implement that package to our website?
Yeah, it could be less. It could even be 5 hours. But if we want to work on our UI too, when we put it in,
Yeah. So I think 7 just to be safe.
Are we adding testing or bug fixing in this time?
What?
The testing time in the
Testing
estimate as
time?
well?
Yeah, I think 7 hours could be including this too.
Oh.
Okay. As a group owner, I want to track the progress of the group on the dashboard so I can either monitor contribution and identify inactive members. And 2 is filter task habits by date, member, and status. So this is like the dashboard feature. Because I think it's one of our core feature too. Yeah, I agree. It's M. Dashboard is one of our core features. And the estimate. I should put it like common user story.
Mm,
1-2 days. Anyone else?
actually, no.
2 days. Okay, I'm just gonna put 2 days here. Why is it 2 days?
Because if you want to track the members' progress, it's heavily UI based. Like the back end wouldn't be as much work
Yeah.
as the front end will be, because we're working with a lot of progress bars and placements and stuff like that. So if you want the UI to actually be seamless and like plug to the back end and run proper, it's going to take like a day or more.
In 2 days, we fine. Okay. As a group owner, I want to view the history log so I can maintain the accountability of my members. History log. So far, wise is what do you think is should
I think it is should have an automation tab because we already have a dashboard to
track down, right?
yeah, track everything for all the progresses.
They should. Okay, and the estimate. 2 hours. Okay. Yeah, I think it should be 2 hours too. Okay. As a group owner, I want to assign roles to the members so that I can either control their permission, edit their permission, and remove them. I think this should be like combined. It should include it here already, right? Control, and that means you guys can edit. I'll remove this. Okay. It's M. Yeah, it's a important thing for the group owner. What about the estimate? 4 hours. So far, I think it's 6 hours.
Because I think we need to research and identify all the roles that we are gonna assign to our users, maybe.
Research and no, I
Like-
think
I think there
like
were 4 roles.
Or we
you
should
already know their
assign
roles
them
already.
moderator roles and member roles as like we already discussed.
I think we already know their roles already.
All right.
So-
Yeah, that's the thing. Then like 3-4 hours are enough. Yep.
So yeah,
No.
so we have 4 hours. The most, so we have just four hours. Okay. As a group owner, I want to show members and their roles so I can assign tasks. Okay, should be M. Yeah. And how long? You guys think? Two hours? Okay. Yeah, I think it should be 2. Okay, so we done with this. Okay, so now for the moderator, user stories. You guys can refer to your roles here, and you guys can write user stories. I'll give you like maybe 6-7 minutes, and once you guys done, you guys all of us will measure the user stories. Okay, you guys just start writing now. Okay, let's review it. Okay, first one is as a moderator. I want to view all the groups. All the group I have finished. Yes. Okay, so what should I think? This. Guys, I think this should be like common user story.
Yes.
What do you mean?
Like this feature, or like everybody can do this. Like all the users should do it.
Yeah, well, all the users can monitor it, but I thought there was okay. Yeah.
I think we can move it. We can delete this. The same is for here too. I think like the homepage, for the moderator for the homepage, I think it's pretty much the same as the group owner.
Yeah, the moderator is pretty much the same. It's like a secondary group owner in a sense, but the group owner still would have more control.
Yeah, for the homepage, right?
Yeah.
So I think we can, instead of that, we can just like refer to group owner, please, homepage, box.
I think that's something we could really do is just in the UI make like a button for each group for the moderator where he can just remind users. So every time he clicks the button, he's basically reminding users or something like this. But otherwise, it's pretty much the same.
So it kind of duplicates or it's not this. Okay, so the dashboard, history log. As a moderator, I can view the current status of all active tasks and habits. What do you guys think? I think this like all active tasks and habits. This is like should be a common user story.
Yeah.
Right? Because everybody can do this. delete this. I can monitor progress.
So if everyone can do it, are we gonna bring it back when we're doing the members one?
I think like this dashboard. Just the it should be just like common user story. Everybody can do this.
Yeah.
Good note here. Okay. Moderator. Okay. Last inactive members. This one I think can refer to users or view individual member details. This one to show members. I think the only thing that like the moderator can do is like remove the members.
They can't add but they can remove.
I think this should be referred to the group owner. This one.
Okay.
The group owner can also do this. Yes, open the members package. Save for this, right? As a moderator, save for this page. Group owner can do this too. Remove this. Okay. I think this one is good. They can flag so that the admin can review it. Okay. Oh, this is okay. If you want the moderator to have ads, do we really need this? I think we need this. We just like
Is it the
I
one
think
highlighted in blue?
it's included here already. So we can just remove this number 3. It's kind of duplicate with number 1.
I think we should remove number 1 and leave number 3 because number 3 is more detailed.
Okay.
Because number 1 sounds more like a common user story.
Number 4, I don't think it's necessary.
I think it's necessary. Like, hear me out. Like, in the chats, who is a moderator? This is what makes them different from every other user role. If you assign you the role of moderator, it means that you should be able to like control the conversation when things get heated. How do you control that? By locking the chat or pausing the chat or something. The same way you're our moderator and you can like technically mute us if one of us is like
We can design it
making a ruckus.
when we do the estimation.
Yeah.
Okay. Now just leave it like this. Okay. As a moderator, you done this? That's it? Okay. What else we can, as a moderator, I want to view all the group tasks and it's still see. This one is like you can refer to common user stories. Like, everybody can do this. I think everybody can do this. Like all the users.
Yeah.
So don't need this. As a moderator, I want to approve or reject new habits added by them. Okay, I think we can do this one for the moderator.
Yeah.
But is it the same as we don't have it for the group owner, right?
No. We don't have this one.
Mm.
Okay, leave it like that. Okay. So for now, we have cut it down to only 2 here. Oh, actually 3. We can write the exception criteria for this. It should be the first one. Where's the second one? Okay. Okay, Yushen, Kevin, and Mohammed.
Yeah.
And can you guys help me to do the acceptance criteria for this for 3 of these user stories? It should be clear.
Yeah.
Okay. What else we can have here?
I wrote one in the chat.
Okay, some Cinicam. Can you help me to do this?
Yeah, I'm already on it.
Nathan too? Nathan, can you help me to do this acceptance
Yeah.
criteria for this?
Yeah, I'm trying to think.
You guys all agree with this?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. For this. Okay. I think this should be good. Lock chat here, I think it's complicated with this. Also, I just gonna remove this. So, alright, I want to remove, edit or remove option, then I can edit the message or remove for everyone. Okay, this one we can use this. Okay, so we have 4 user stories here. Okay. Should be good. Want to edit habits. No, not to edit.
Depending tasks, like if a member like proposes a task, I feel like the moderator should be able to edit it before approving it. Like someone could say, "Oh, do so and so task by Wednesday," and the moderator should be able to edit it to say by Monday before approving it.
I mean, should the group owner do that?
I mean, we can do that. We can just make it so that the moderator just has to like press a button that will notify the admin to check it out.
Should be the one.
So we can take our edits for sure.
Wait, this is not a acceptance criteria. It's not in the format. Who wrote this? Who wrote this?
I wrote that.
You don't need this given so that?
I'm the one that wrote it.
No, it should be in this format. Given when.
But that format is for the user story.
No,
Yes.
it is for the acceptance criteria. Not the. This is the format for user story. It is for the acceptance criteria. This format given when.
Okay. Okay.
And you can put this like this. Okay. It should be good. Okay, and so for the acceptance criteria for the organization, can you type your MS or W here? Oh, MSC
Sorry, for which one?
for this user story.
Stop staring the screen.
Yeah,
Yeah.
short
Oh,
screen.
1 second.
Yeah, and I
Yeah.
also can't see your mouse. Okay, now I see.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Here. As a moderator, I can flag a member as inactive or unresponsive. So the admin can review and decide whether to reassign the task. Can you type your mostly M? Yeah, I think this one is necessary. And the estimates? One hour? It's just like a button, right? It's just like a button, like a flag between each member. Oh, I think yeah, put a note here. So 1 hour?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 hour be fine. Okay, this one. Yes, is should have. Should have. Okay. And the estimate. $3 hours. Okay. 1 hour. Yuxian, why I think it's 1 hour?
No, I think it's also just a button. Just only one button. So you can click it and edit the message, and also remove the message. I think it doesn't cost lots
Just a
of work.
button.
Yeah, I think it's.
So what about Cinicam?
I think that to edit and remove messages, we're going to have to find a way to mix the real-time chat messaging API with the user roles.js file. Then we're going to have to do like a whole post and response. I just put 3 hours to allow time for error fixing, because it's not easy to have the same permissions for more than 2 types of logged in users.
So you think this feature takes more than that? Because
I think an average could be like 2 hours.
okay, yeah. So we'll put 2 hours. Okay. And this. What do you guys think? As a moderator, I want to send warnings or notification to users who break discussion rule. Hey, this is warnings. Warning. We really need this. We really need this, like the warning stuff.
I'm not super convinced we do. It could be M, it could be S.
I think it should be good have. I don't think it's like the warning is necessary.
Okay, I mean there's flagging feature, so maybe the warning is not super necessary.
I think like the C would be fine. I'm gonna put a C here.
I think the warning is more necessary for the tasks than for the messages.
What do you guys think?
I'm okay with C too.
Moment. Sapa. Kevin.
Yeah, I
Ian?
think yes.
Yes. Moment.
It should be so. It's like the environment within the chat group is safe, so no one what you call it.
Okay, so I just gonna put as like something between the
Yes,
estimate. Estimate. How long?
st-
2 hours. Probably I'm just gonna put 2. Okay. Let's moving on to this. As a moderator, I want to close or lock chat when discussion are complete or getting out of control so that the group stay organized. I think it should be an M.
I think it's an S because technically the people using this app is for social accountability. So majority of the time, it's not like Discord chats where it's a bunch of strangers, right? It's friends and family and roommates and stuff. So it's important, but is it really like a core feature that we're selling?
I think like you can just like mute the like specific person, not like close whole chat.
Okay.
Some other time. So I think like I think we should change this a little bit, like just to I want to mute.
I'll maybe put temporarily disable a member.
Yeah, like temporary like mute like a specific
Mute.
member, not like the whole chat.
Okay.
It would be
Suspend. Aiden said suspend. I think that's really
yeah,
good.
suspend. Chat. should be like could have, not necessary. Yeah, we should add the image, the estimate. Cinecam, why I think it's 5 hours.
Mainly because a lot of back-end work will go into giving a good result. You're going to have to touch the user's profile. You're going to have to touch notification, messaging, post and response. You're going to have to touch everything. To suspend someone, you're going to have to touch almost like every aspect of the code.
Yushan, what do you think?
Can I see the text?
Oh.
I think we just need a button. So when you want to suspend the member, you just click it and the member will be suspended. It's also, yeah, I think it's like that.
So I might probably just put like 2 hours, like something between that, 2-3 hours. Okay, should be fine. Okay. Must have. Okay. And the estimate. Okay. So mostly we have 2, 3, yeah, 2 to 3, 2 to 3. Fine. Not really details. Like
Profile
add any
details.
edit what?
Like a milestone.
My profile, like my profile picture, my
Oh.
username, my.
I can view my profile.
I should also be able to edit like my track inputs, my habits input in the group and stuff.
Okay, so so like it's for the check the status.
Yeah, basically, because for us to track the activity and goals, every member has to like tick off a task or say they've done something, completed something. Every
Oh,
member
I
has
think
to do
then it should be under here, like habit and task box.
that. I see. But how about the profile details, like profile picture and username and stuff?
I think we don't really need that.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just like I think it's you can just put it here, but I think it should be like could have. We'll keep this.
Okay.
So I want to. I want to view all group members and their activity status, so I can see who's active and contributing. Yes, I like this one. We can keep this for the check status. Yeah, this one we can have it too. Okay. I think this one is duplicated with this, so we can remove this.
Yeah, I think it is.
Okay. Okay, so I think this is all for the group member. Okay. I can view all members in the group. I think this is duplicated with this one. This one is included in this one already. And we can just remove this.
Yeah.
Okay. As a group member, I want to set personal goals so I can set my own progress within the group. Group member, I want to set personal goals so that I can set my own progress within the group. So group all member, I want to set personal goals so that I can set my own. What do you guys think about this? Should we keep this? Set personal goals.
Yeah.
We can keep it.
Yes. I think
Yeah.
we should.
Okay. Fine to me. Do you like your the purpose? So that what? This is you like the purpose? Whoever make this, like you need like another sentence here.
I can view the list of all the tasks / habits that are assigned to me so that I can track my progress.
what should we write here? I can what?
Track my progress and complete tasks.
So that I
Okay,
know what I'm responsible for, maybe
I know. Yeah, I know what task.
I'm responsible for.
Okay. I want to share my progress within the group. So group member can yes, we can keep this. Group member. Mark complete too. I think this one is this I think this one is like this one is cover. Like this one covered this one already. So I think we can just leave it like this. So I think we can keep this.
This
What do you guys think?
Yeah, I agree.
New task. Okay.
I think
What do you think?
all the tasks, some should be like the priority, like I should never miss this task, and some, even if you miss, it's quite okay to miss it for a few days.
task priority.
Like you set the priorities for that?
Yeah, like a tasks that I should never miss, and a task that even if I miss, it's okay for
Mm,
one
that,
day.
that can just be when you're adding a task inside the form. For adding a task, you could just set priority level and then sort your tasks by priority level.
Then the group owner or the moderator can do that, not the members or the viewers.
Okay.
I think this one already included in the common user stories.
It's included, I think, in the message box. I think.
Yeah, yeah.
Discussion.
So we can just skip this. I want to edit or delete habit task. So should you delete this, or like should the members have that permission, or only the group owner and the moderator can do that?
I
Be the
think,
moderator, I think.
yeah, I think deleting should not be for a group member. Maybe editing can be, but deleting no, because editing can be something like, oh, you have a task in progress, done, not started. That could be editing, but deleting, I don't think group members should do that.
Yeah, just delete habits. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now I want you guys to write the acceptance criteria for this.
For which?
For this one.
Okay.
Sinicam and Yushen, you guys can do this, and Mohammed and Kevin, you can do this. You can do this user story, like acceptance criteria, and Safa, you can do this. You can write the acceptance criteria for this.
Gotcha.
I think this one is like a user story, like common user stories, because everybody can do this.
Which one?
This one, it's user stories.
Okay.
Everybody can do this. All users can do this.
Mhm.
So I think we can just remove this.
Okay.
Okay, so Safa, you can just do this.
Which one? You said, yeah, gotcha.
This one.
No. I'm writing in that. I'm writing acceptance criteria
okay.
in that
Yeah,
box.
yeah.
It just
I'll
hasn't updated.
Take your time.
Yeah.
So I'll put one more here when I click save. Then okay. Here. Are you guys done?
Yes.
Yeah.
Show members, check status. Leave. let's review it. Okay, given I'm a group member, when I tap on member list, my name, roles, status for all the members in the group. To view as a group member, I want to view profile all the members. Do you guys think this should be in the in the user roles, common user roles? What do you guys think?
Yeah, it's in every user role. Yeah.
Everybody should use it, right?
But they're everybody, no?
What?
Oh, you mean with group owner and with moderator? Yeah.
Yeah, everybody should use it. I think I should move it. I should leave it. Delete this. Remember, I want to view my profile details. Same for this too.
No, it's not common user role. Oh, it's a. Oh
What do you
man,
think?
it is. It is a common user role. But
Yeah,
the thing about it is
But we
that,
haven't added it.
Aren't all member things would be common user role?
yeah, because the app, like, there's not much
Everyone, like,
restrictions. So
everyone is a group. Everyone would be a group user. Like the other people have specific roles, but everyone is technically a group member.
so this should not be the group owner, like the common user roles.
Well,
it can
I think
be. It can be, but I'm just saying that if we're going by common user roles, because of the nature of the project, almost everything will be a common user role.
a group member
So-
basically is a common user role.
Yeah, members should be common user roles. So I think. So yeah, let's just
So like any common user role would just make it.
yeah, we can just make
Member.
the common user role as a members.
Yeah.
Okay. Group member I want to view so I can see that as roles. Okay. As a group member, let me just. Okay. What about this? It should be yeah. All of this should be common user roles too. You guys agree with this accepting criteria? There's no any validate for this too, right?
Sorry?
I
Oh,
think
yeah, I
it's
agree with
good. Yeah, I think
I
so.
think I will in addition to this system, will show like other people won't see them anymore. Yeah, it should be included. Okay, so this one is good. Okay, moving on to this. As a group members, as a group member, I want to add new test dynamics. Okay, so this one is good. As a group member, I want to view the list of all the task habits that are assigned to me so that I know that I'm responsible for. That I'm responsible. Okay, yeah, this one we don't really need any validation to. Keep it like this. I think this when you done, I think you should make another acceptance criteria for the system. Like when you click save, when you done editing, and when you click save, then it will save the data that you already edited. So now save task. Editing and click the system. Should it 9.
Just put updates automatically.
Okay. You guys all good with this?
Yeah.
Okay. So for this, let's do the estimation, the prioritize. Okay. Let's type on the chart. Screen. Tap on the chat. What do you guys think for this? let's see. Yeah, I think we need this and the estimate. Okay, about estimate. Okay, it should be 3 then. Okay, as a group member, I want to view my profile details so that I can add, edit, and delete my information. M. Why do you think it should have Silicon?
Oh, because if they already know themselves, maybe the only thing they would only want to change is like the profile photo. It's not like they really need to go in and put their email. It's not like Teams as corporate.
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
like, it's not
I
really
agree with that.
necessary.
I kind of agree with her.
Yeah.
She's right.
About the estimates. Two hours.
I think it should be M, no?
What?
It should be must, I think. Because sometimes we change our contacts, and if we can't change it in the system, then we can't really access the app, no?
Like the contact. You want like to change the contact?
Yeah, sometimes we do change numbers, sometimes we do
No,
change emails as well.
You can change your email. I think you can change the email. If you want to change the email, you have to create a new account. So I think it just should have. So 2 hours here. I think it's just like some feature, like it's just I think this feature is quick, right?
Mhm.
When it comes to the UI and all stuff.
Yeah, it's quick.
As a group member, I can leave the group so that I can stop receiving updates and notification. Yeah, this one is very important. And the estimate, I think it's just like a button. Just a button, right? Yeah, 1 hour. Great. Okay. So as a group member, I want to add new tasks and habits so that I can track activities. Yeah, I agree. It should be M. And the estimate, just a button, right?
Mm-mm.
But it should like
No.
when you add the habits, you need like the habits form should have some feature, some details,
Yeah.
like how long, like all stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah.
using like text fields and stuff too.
3 hours. Okay. As a group member, I want to read the list of all the tasks and habits that are assigned to me so that I know what tasks I am responsible for. Okay, that should be an M. And estimate. Two hours. Why do you guys think it's 2 hours?
Just gonna fetch the data that's already there.
Yeah, I think it's like just the view, right?
Yeah, you're just viewing. I thought I said 1 to 2 just because just in case.
Okay.
But like,
Yeah, and let's not forget we have to add a filter function for them to sort the view page.
Okay. I think just like 1 hour. Maybe 1 to 2. Yeah. Okay. As a group member, I want to share my progress within the group so the group members can view my progress. Yes. I want to share my progress. Why think it's yes.
well, because they can view your progress, right?
Yeah.
They can view your progress. So you don't really need to share it with them.
Yeah. They should have.
You're basically saying, look how much I've done, but it doesn't really matter because they can see how much you've done.
Okay. Shooting. Estimate. Aiden, what do you think is 2 hours?
I don't think it'd be that long. I like to give an extra hour. I think it'd be like 1 to 2, but
Okay,
Um,
then we can just do like, what about, yeah, Sinicam, you agree with us?
Yeah.
So just put 1, 2 hours. Okay, so as a group member, I want to edit habits tasks so I can keep track my progress up to date. Must have, right? Yeah, let's go along with this. And estimate, just a button. So
Daniel,
why are you laughing?
because you always say just a button.
I don't know, I'm not gonna do it.
Volunteer.
Just give you guys some suggestion.
Volunteer for
4 hours, 3, 4 hours. Yushan, what do you think is like between 1 to 2 hours?
So you say it's just a button, right? So I think it's 1 or 2 hours is enough. I think if it's just one button, yeah. It's
I might
only
go
a
for
button.
something. Yeah, I might go for something between like
What I think is the data is already there. We're just rewriting
Yeah,
the data
so
that we
yeah.
already have, so it won't take that long. And I think 1 hour should be enough. I just added 1 hour for bug fixing.
So I'm
if
gonna
they
just put it like 2 hours, like something
Yeah.
between.
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
now that I think the sharing the progress one can even be a C.
okay. I have to
We don't
save
have any
this.
C's yet.
It's gonna take time because of the UI.
Yeah, so I just put 2, like something between.
Because like imagine you have like a group that a group of friends that make a group for traveling. Majority of people in the group will be viewers because they're just viewing shared packing list and grocery list and stuff like that.
Okay, so I think like they can view the groups.
I just figured you'd make a different group for different things.
They can view the groups. They can show tasks. Yeah, they can see this. Show members, check status. Leave the group, same.
Wouldn't this be really hard to like write out in points because it's basically all common user stories? The only thing they can't do is edit or delete.
No, they can edit or delete. They just can
Yeah.
view.
Only view. So it will be this exact same as common user
So
stories.
we can just remove this, add edit tasks and habits. They can just view the task. They can contact too. They can chat too.
Yeah.
View task habits. Do we need like the user stories for this, or we already have one?
That's what I was trying to say. I don't know if we need user stories because what's it going to be? View tasks and habits, common user story, chat, common user story. Basically, yeah.
You guys think? Do we already have one for this? Let me check. All 6 of you guys.
Which
Can
one?
you for this view habit and task? They can
How
only
about,
view
how about dashboard?
dashboard. Dashboard the same. They can still view the dashboard. I just change it to show. Same thing though. Can like 6 of you guys help me to write this habit task box? User stories.
Mine is still in the previous design. Like
What?
mine is still as group
Yeah.
member.
Group member. You guys need more. I need more. View. That's it. Anything else? So let's move on to the acceptance criteria, and we will be done for this.
Okay.
Is my acceptance criteria okay there? Or?
Yeah, acceptance criteria for this.
That's what I wrote down there. I wasn't sure.
Can you guys help me to do this?
Sorry?
Can you guys write the acceptance criteria for this?
I did right there.
He did. It's right here.
I think we should need more when then I can see all tasks. It should be more, no?
Well, what, I whatever you want to. Let's say.
Stay updated.
I mean, it's letting you. It's saying that you can see. You can basically see everything, but you can't change anything.
And anything else for this?
I mean, either we can split your acceptance criteria into two, in the sense that we can stop it at current status and then create another acceptance criteria where we like put like view only permissions enforced. When I go to click edit or make any changes, it's grayed out and I can't interact with those buttons. You know, something like this.
I think you can put it here like the button is no, I think like we don't really need any button.
Okay.
Yeah, like we don't give them the idea of create or edit anything. They can just only see the task. That's it.
Okay.
We only show them like the task. We don't show them any button or anything.
Yeah, they can view the they can view it, but they can't interact with it basically.
Yeah. Okay. So let me do the. Okay. So what should be the prioritization for this? Prioritization. Share screen. Okay.
Right, taxation.
Guys, do you think we should change our discussion board as well for the view?
For the what?
For the viewer? Because
No, they can contact. They can still contact.
they can still write messages.
Yeah.
So for just the habits, they aren't allowed to do anything, and anything else is allowed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty much the same.
Yeah, same. So everything happen with the view. They have all the action. Just the view.
Wait, as the viewer, do you want them to be able to view the discussion chat room, or do you want to keep that kind of private to the people within the group?
Same.
Same, because to use the app, you have to have an account. You can't view as a guest. So for you to even see the discussion board, you're most likely already in a group. Yeah.
I thought the discussion board was more for the people within the group to communicate, not for people, I guess, outside.
Okay, so what should be the what should be the type here? MS or C?
M.
I think M.
Okay.
Estimates. View. I think like 1 hour. Yeah.
Or less even.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even less. Yeah. Less than 1 hour then. Okay. Stop sharing and stop recording.